does the bank statement program work? Bank statement program is designed for people that are self-employed and they have a lot of write-off and not show enough income on their tax return. So typically, when you get a loan, you get a conventional Fannie Freddie loan or a jumbo loan. But with the bank statement program, you are able to qualify with your deposit. So how does that work? Depending on the industry you're in, then there would calculate the expense ratio, meaning we'll take your deposit for last 12 months and we average it out. Has to make sense, obviously. And depending on the industry you're in, if let's say you're in restaurant business, generally they will give you 50% of that deposit as your income. And if it's up higher than that, obviously,
Wings 184, 11 for 15.
If you indicate that it's higher than that, then with the 60% is your expense ratio. So if you're in real estate, or if you're in a
920, contact LA Center 125.7.
if you're in a professional services, like an accountant or any kind of a service, online service that you're coaching, you are advisor, real estate, consultant, anything that doesn't require having equipment or other costs, that means your cost is lower, so that brings your expense ratio lower. As long as you have a letter from your accountant confirming that what your expense ratio is, we will give you a credit based on that expense ratio. So let's say you're making $10,000 a month and you really, in reality, your cost is only $2,000 because you don't really have a hard cost. So your income that the underwriter would use is $8,000 a month. And typically, bank statement program loans especially for owner-occupied, have no prepayment. They're 30 years long, and depending on your FICO score and the down payment you put in, it could be anywhere from 1.5 higher than normal rate. Of course, every situation is different. Once you apply for a loan, and the broker would disclose that with the appropriate APR. That's what bank statement. That's how bank statement works. Hope that's helpful. That was just a summary of how bank statement works. I'll try to put more information about it in the future. Thank you.